everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I'm really glad that you showed up today to see what's inside my Stitch Fix. I'm really curious to see what is inside this Stitch Fix, and I'll explain that in a moment. But if you're new to my channel, I would like to welcome you. Hello, I'm really glad that you found me, and I hope that you will subscribe and join me for a future video. To my returning subscribers, hi everyone, how you doing? Are you excited to see what's inside this Stitch Fix? I love my Stitch Fix. This is one of my favorite styling services. It is one of the few styling services that I have not put on hold as I'm doing this major closet clean out. And honestly, the reason I have not put this subscription on hold is because I have an annual style pass, which means I can get unlimited fixes. I don't have to pay a fee every time I'm styled, and I can still pick out a piece or an entire box of fabulous fashions if the entire box is fabulous fashions. Okay, but here's what I wanted to talk to you about. On the Stitch Fix app, there's a game. I'll call it a game because I'm not sure what else you would call it. It's called the Style Shuffle. Do you play the Style Shuffle? If so, leave it in the comments below and let me know. Does the Style Shuffle game help you to get better fixes? I have been using the Style Shuffle game on occasion. I don't do it daily, but I have been doing it for over a year, and I don't notice that my fixes are better than they were before I was doing the Style Shuffle. But if you're not familiar with the Style Shuffle, what it is their image of a piece of clothing will be shown to you, and you give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And so I'm not quite sure how to play this game, because let's just say that Stitch Fix shows me a denim jacket and it's like, yeah, I like that denim jacket, but I already have 4 denim jackets in my wardrobe, so I give it a thumbs down. But I don't know if I'm playing it right, because I do like the jacket, but I would not purchase the jacket. Do you see what I'm saying? Please let me know in the comments below if you do utilize the Style Shuffle. How are you using it? Because Stitch Fix is showing me in the Style Shuffle game, they're showing me items that I bought several years ago, and I give those a thumbs down. I own them. I bought the pieces from Stitch Fix, and they should be able to see that if they look at my profile and my buying history. But okay, this is what concerns me, is why are they showing me the dated clothing? Any ideas? I mean, I really use these style services because I'm hoping to get contemporary on-trend pieces. And I've told my stylist, and I know I've shared with you before, that I'm not looking for basic pieces because I have a closet full of those. And I have told my stylist that on occasion my stylists do slip in a basic piece for me. But okay, all that said, these are just things that have been on my mind, so I wanted to just kind of pick your brain and see how you feel about that tool, and if it's helped you to get better fixes, and if you have also noticed clothing that perhaps is really not very current on that Style Shuffle. Let me know in the comments below. Let's just get to the task at hand and open this box. Okay, this is what the inside of the box looks like, and everything you need to know is always printed right on the Stitch Fix box. And there is a note from my stylist and an invoice and a return mailer to mail back anything free of charge that doesn't work for me. You can also use this envelope to send back any exchanges that you might have. And the big reveal, here is the bundle, and I like it already because I see some red and blue. Is that pink? No, it's not red. It's pink in there. Can you see that? So the colors look good. Blues and pinks. It's red. Okay, the first piece on top. Ooh, it's pretty. Because red is my favorite color. This is by the brand West Key. Now, it's a pop over. Okay, I'm happy that it's not a tab sleeve top. This is a tie top. It looks like a 3/4 length sleeve. It is polyester and a rounded hemline. Oh. Okay, I don't know how I feel about that. So it's a crossover. It does have, it's tacked right here at the neckline. Is that a true open wrap? It is. And it's a little bit shorter in the front. I don't know. We'll try it on and see how that one works. This one is by Paper Moon, And this one's really silky. Oh, this one's mixed material. Ah, this one, look at the print on that. That's birds. Okay, I like this. I tend to really enjoy these mixed material fabrics, or the garments made out of both the cotton and the polyester. They're really easy to wear. So the front of it looks kind of business-like, and yet you can wear this with a blazer and still stay really cool. This one is Paper Moon. This one is pretty. Ooh, who are you? This is 41 Hawthorne. What's the name? What's your name? Chase Pocket Blouse. Okay, this is cute. No, it's not a tab sleeve. Okay, it's got 2 pockets. Are you a button up? No, this is a popover, but it has the pockets here and a collar. Really, really pretty colors. It's a blue and almost a pink. So I like that one. And what do we have next? This one's pretty good so far, I would say. What do you think? This is Bobo. Okay. All right. And this looks like a color block cardigan. And this is a nice, it is a thin cardigan. There are no pockets. It looks like it has a waterfall front on it, but really some pretty colors, some purple and blue, pink, gray. Then the last thing we have, oh no, what are you? So these are like almost like a pull-on trouser, and I'm not sure about the fabric on this. What is the fabric? The fabric is rayon, nylon, and spandex, and these are tribal, and these are the Fia bootcut trouser. Bootcut, huh? Let's look at the hem on these. So that's what the bottoms look like. So you can see how wrinkled they are just from being folded. It's like, you see that? Okay, the pants aren't really doing anything for me at this point, but I like the tops and I like the cardigan. Let me try it all on and let's see what we think. Okay, let's chat real quick. I have my invoice in front of me and this fix is very reasonably priced. Yeah, every single piece is within my preferred price points. I really appreciate that because often I fall in love with those more expensive pieces and I set price points for a reason. I want to stay on budget. Now, with every fix that you get a stylist note and I don't read them on camera. And the reason I don't read them is because they're like form letters. And I know this because I used to read my stylist note and I thought that the stylist actually sat down and thought about me when they wrote that note. And then one day I heard my personal stylist note being read by another YouTuber. And I was like, wait a minute, that's supposed to be my note. Now, they did change the name of the town, but every other word in that note was exactly the same. But this time I did receive a very personal note regarding my stylist, Jason. He is moving on to another job with Stitch Fix. He will only be styling a limited number of clients, and I think he was warning me that I'm getting a new stylist. So I have that to look forward to, and that's not necessarily bad. I've had a lot of luck with many different Stitch Fix stylists, but I do think that Jason has done a pretty good job for me. So okay, the total of this fix is $252 for the 5 pieces. My buy all discount is minus $63, which would bring the total to $189. And that's not a bad price for 5 pieces. I'll let you be the judge. Actually, that's what I'm kind of thinking about. I like every single piece. I'll give you my opinions, and then I am going to purchase the pieces that my viewers like. So if there is a standout piece, I will definitely know through the comments, because you guys always help me out through the comments. Let me know which pieces you especially like or you dislike. So I'm going to leave it up to you. In the next day or two, I will tally up the votes in the comments, and those are the pieces that I'm going to purchase. But I'm going to give you my feedback as well. Like on this West Key top. Now, I love red. I seldom meet a red blouse that I do not like. I have a bunch of these polyester red blouses, split neck tops in my wardrobe, and I don't know, this one is only $40. This is West Key. It is called the Allen Surplice tie sleeve high-low blouse in red. And I think it is I will tell you that I felt very secure in this, that it is an open wrap, but you couldn't see when I bent over. You know, there wasn't the risk of showing skin. That's what concerns me with these wrap tops. And it is tacked on top, and I thought that the neckline was not too low for me. The sleeves are okay. The high-low is the part I don't like. Not real crazy about it. This is a piece I would definitely wear if I had, but I do have a lot of similar pieces to this, so this isn't really a must-have for my wardrobe. My stylist sent this for Valentine's Day, but this fix actually showed up on my doorstep a little bit late, too late for Valentine's Day. This is only $40, so the price is right, but I'm not completely wowed by this one. The next piece that I tried are the tribal pants, and I didn't like the feel of the fabric when I first touched them. Now, the feel of the interior fabric is so incredibly silky. I do like the way that these slacks feel on my skin. They're a pull-on. They're about a mid-rise. They're not a high-rise. I wish they were a little bit higher, but I didn't notice this. These have a hidden panel in it, and this is what it's called. I don't know if I can actually even pronounce it, but I'll show it to you. It's called the flat knit amincissant. Anyway, I think the whole point is to flatten out the tummy, so that is kind of cool. This is just a baby boot cut, so it does look really nice with a pair of heels underneath. These are very long, so I think I would have to wear heels or boots with these. I do surprisingly like these. Still not real crazy about the way they feel on the exterior of the fabric, and there was a lot of bunching of the fabric, and perhaps that's because they are so silky. They just really move, and I found myself hiking them up, pulling them up. They're $58, and these are called the Fia Bootcut Trouser by Tribal. What did you think about these? I'm glad I wore these through the entire try-on to get a better feel about would I enjoy wearing these. I actually might. I don't know. Okay, the next piece is the 41 Hawthorne. This one is kind of hard to show because it's kind of a slinky polyester. It's got the collar on it, and it is a pop-over style. Actually, I think even when I have it on, it looks almost like a button-up, but it only has the one button right there at the neckline, those flap chest pockets, long sleeve, no tabs, happy about that. It's a pretty long sleeve as well. I love the pattern and the colors on these. I feel like this one is one that can be worn year-round, because I would wear it year-round, but really nice springtime piece. It can be worn with denim and also with white pants in the summertime. I like this one a lot. This one is $58. So you guys like this one? It's got that 70s vibe to it, doesn't it? It looks a little retro. I think it's actually the print. It's not the style of the blouse, it's the print of the fabric that is kind of a flashback to the 70s for me. Okay, let's call this one the bird top. From a distance, it almost looks like stars, maybe, but when you get up close, you can see the bird pattern on it. This one is Paper Moon, and it's called the Reese Mixed Material Top. You guys know I enjoy these mixed material tops a lot. This one is, again, it's a split neck, and I feel like it's really high, but it's very, very comfortable. So this is a piece that I would definitely wear. Now, my stylist did ask me to put the cardigan over this top just to add some color. And I think, yeah, without a colorful cardigan, even a white cardigan would bring this top to life because it's a little bit plain for my taste. because the birds are so little bitty, but I like this one. It's $38. It's a great price point for a nice top. And I did try the Bobo cardigan over the bird top because that's what my stylist asked me to do, and I like that pop of color. I think that it kind of brightens everything up. Guys, I'm not real big on purple. It's a color that I do buy, but I never wear. I seldom wear purple, and I feel like that is the dominant color in this cardigan. You'll have to let me know what you think about this color on me because I'm not real comfortable with purple. This is the Wallace brushed cardigan by Bobo. This one is $58, and it does have that waterfall front. It's so incredibly soft. They just get you every time with the super soft fabric. I love the way this one feels. It is shorter in the front, and it kind of has that handkerchief hem in the front. So no pockets on this one. It's $58. I do think it completes the outfit when the pants and the bird top and this really cool cardigan. This one I think is my favorite. Which one is your favorite? I mean, would you keep this entire box for $189 or just the 41 Hawthorne for $58? The bird top, do I need a bird top in my life? I think I might. I don't know. Like I said, you guys decide. Let me know what your favorite pieces were. Would you keep the entire box or just your favorite piece? I look forward to hearing your comments. You guys really do help me to decide what to keep. And I think you are much pickier than I am, and I am learning from you. So thank you so much. Can I get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? And please subscribe and join me for my next video. I promise it's coming out soon. I'll see you in the next one. Blessings to all of you.